everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Jenny DIY. Oh yes, I have been away for a long time now, but today here I am and I'm going to start uploading again. I hope you all are doing great. I hope you're having a good time, and I also hope you're keeping it safe with this whole pandemic going on. Hope you're being safe. Yeah, so in today's video I'll share with you this top, this ruffle top that I made, and I saw this top on my Pinterest and I wanted to buy the top, but I was like, no, can I actually make this? So I decided to make it, and I have this linen fabric, the one that I used for my previous project, so I decided to use it for this project. And I'm going to show you details on how I make this top, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you also like and share my video. So with that being said, let's get right to business. Yeah. And if you're new watching me, please don't forget to subscribe and also like and share this video. So have a nice weekend. Bye. So guys, here is the linen fabric and also a basic pattern that I created. So I'm going to be using it to cut these pieces, and you can see I fold my fabric and I'm cutting on fold. So I place the basic body pattern and secure with pin. It's good to secure for you to get accurate cutting. It's good to secure with pin. So I'm now going to cut to the waistline, and what I'm going to do, I will cut out the front pieces and I will now use it I'll use it and cut the back pieces. And for this tutorial you don't really need to add any dart. I did not add any dart. So here I have the front pieces and I place it on fold also to cut out the back pieces. So now I have the both pieces. You can see the front and back pieces, they're just the same. And now I'm going to measure from the shoulder to the waist to know where I'm going to place the ruffle. So I measure from waist to. With that, I'm going to cut out some strips. I'll cut like 4 pieces. So due to the length of the fabric, so I'm going to cut out 4 pieces, and I now join and stitch each two together. That is to make the ruffle. So I have 4 pieces and I'm going to join it at the edge. So I'm trying to measure to know the length. So here is the top. You can see I make some adjustment on the neckline, and here is the strips for the ruffle. So I'm going to sew into gather. I'm going to make gather, and to make gather is very simple. All you have to do is increase the stitch length on your sewing machine. So here I cut out another strip, so I'm going to use it to cover the rough edge of the ruffle. So I'm going to, so you can see that I sew it together, and I'm going to cut out excess pieces, and then I will now fold it. I will now double fold it. So I pin it and then sew along the edge. So here is the ruffle. So the next step is to place the ruffle on the top. So to do that, you can see that I face the two top, and there is the front and back. I face it. Then I'm going to place this ruffle, and I'll measure myself to know the handle. So you can as well measure yourself. For mine is 11 centimeters, so I'm going to place 11 centimeters to make sure that I have the accurate. So I'm going to pin it, secure it before sewing on the line that is on the stitch line. So I'm going to sew to the waistline. So you can see that I have a excess ruffle, so I'm going to cut it out later. So I will take the measurement again to be sure. So I'm going to stitch now. So you have to make sure you stitch on the line, on the stitch line. So here is the top. It's taking another shape now. So I'm trying to cut out excess thread. So now we're going to make a gather, another gather that is for the waist. So here is the gather. I'm going to attach it on the top. I'm going to attach on the waistline. So you can see that I cut off the excess ruffle. So this top is very simple. If you just follow the steps, the guideline. So here is the look. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to stitch by the both side. Actually, this top have a strap on the side, have a two strap on the side. I later saw it, then I later add it off camera. So here is the final look. You can see that it's very easy. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please do make sure to like and share this video. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Here is the finished look. Bye.